You don't need to be a professional designer or a 3D expert to showcase your clothing brand beautifully. In this video, I will show you how to use your mockup design to bring your streetwear or your fashion idea to life, whether it's for your website, your social media, or your digital lookbook. And the best part is you don't need to know complicated software. You can easily edit templates and make them your own. So let's dive right in. So the first thing you need to do is to shop at my mockup website, which is teamthecreator-shop.fortwo.com, and it's going to take you to this page. And when you scroll down, you see my collection, which is the streetwear mockup, jersey mockup, and African design. So let's check out the streetwear mockup. So when I click on the streetwear mockup, you get all of the streetwear with their animation. So it is best for you to read the features of each mockup design. So let's assume I'm going to click on, let me click on this now. You can see content for t-shirt on hanger animated. So read all these details, they are very, very important. And also you can see the sample. In case you want to see how this animation look like before making a purchase, just click on the sample link and it's going to take you to YouTube to show you the animation of how this mockup looks like. So when I go back and go back again, let's go back to the jersey mockup. So this is the same thing. I think I have about 10 jersey mockup, just t-shirt jersey with different color neck, and also you can see the sleeves neck. So you can click on any one of them and you can see the same thing. Read the content. The price is $25. You're also going to get 2 animations in this mockup design, and you can see the animation sample 1 and 2. Since there are 2 animations, you see the animation of both t-shirt of both mockup design. Sorry. And when you scroll down, read all the description. Also how to edit the mockup. The link is also attached to the mockup content. So all these informations are there, so just read through before making a purchase. And let's go back to home and let's try to edit one of our mockup design. So okay, this is home and let me edit this particular one there. So when you click on the mockup design and you click on add to cart and you've made your purchase, this is what you are going to get in all of them. So this is what you get when you purchase the mockup design. You get the texture, the hand Alembic file, the Clo3D file, also another t-shirt Clo3D file, also the Blender file where you render your t-shirt design based on what you've edited on your texture file. So let me click on the texture folder and click on this diffuse t-shirt so that it can open on Photoshop. So I've clicked on that. So this is how the texture file looks like, and let's go back and let me show you how the Blender file looks like. So this is how the Blender file looks like. So let me just turn off the camera or remove the camera, and you can see this. Okay, let me click on the material preview. I'm going to click on this. So this is how it looks like in the material preview. Don't forget I said that there are 2 animations here. So this is the mockup. This is the first animation and this is the second one, which is turned off here. I just turned it on. It might be quite slow, so but then you can see the animation when I pull through, and the hand is going to spin backward. You can see this. So that's how the animation looks like. So let's check it out on cycles. So let me change it to cycles. So this is how it looks like on cycles, and let me try to zoom closer. I'm coming. You can see this, and you can see this. So you can see all this. So this is how it looks like on cycles. So you can decide to adjust the lighting or anything you want to adjust. The camera has been set, so all you just need to do is you just click on this hand to move the view and just drag if you want to focus on the 360 animation, or you want to focus on the one on the hanger with the hand only, the hanger. So depending on the one you want. So let me now show you how you can edit this mockup design. So go back to the PSD file, which is the Photoshop file. So this is the front, back, right, left, and neck. So first of all, we're going to turn off the label. So I'm going to turn the back, the neck, the left, the right, and the front. So I don't know, it's quite slow. So I've turned that off. So let's bring in our graphics. I'm going to click on Ctrl O and bring in the graphic I downloaded online, or your own graphic of your choice that you want to use to promote your t-shirt brand. So I'm going to click on this and click on OK. So we have this here, and I'm going to copy this and paste it in that PSD project. Ctrl C, and I'm going to go back to PSD project and paste it here. Ctrl V, and you just let us just adjust it here, and Ctrl T. You can scale it down a bit. Yeah, so you have something like this. I don't know if this is too much, but you can just place it like this. So just adjust it, and I think this looks good. So if you want to change the color, just click on this color here, click on this color icon here, and just click on this here, and you can change it to any color of your choice, either this or black or any color of your choice. Just select them. So okay, we have black text, so you cannot leave it as black, so I'm going to leave it I think this is fine. So When you are done, the next thing you should do is just save it. Control S to save, and that's all you just need to do is to save the file here. You see saving is 0%, you can see that here, and go back to Blender. So let me go back to Blender. So this is Blender now. So I'll first go back to material preview. You get, just ignore whatever you see at the material preview. Material preview will not really make any changes, but your cycles is what you should focus on. So I'm going to click on cycles back, and you see that this particular texture has changed to what we have on Photoshop. So you can see this. Look at that. It looks like this is exactly what you have on Photoshop. You can see this is this, and this is this. And let me drag this up a bit. If you want to change the background, that's if you're not satisfied with the background based on the color, you can click on the background, go to the color section, click on this, and you can change it to any color of your choice. See this. That is how editable this mockup is. You don't need a freelancer for this. It's something you can do by yourself. You don't even need to learn everything about Blender. You can see this, see this, see this. Any color background of your choice. You can increase the intensity of the light. So where is the area light? These are the area light here. So when I click on the area light, I'm coming, selected. So you can increase it to like 20. You feel like it's too dark, you can see it. It's 15. Click on this 15. Yeah, and you are fine and you are good to go. You can go back again to Photoshop, and let's decide we want to change the color of our t-shirt again. Let's assume this graphic is on multiple color of t-shirt, so we can do that. So what I'm going to do is to just click on this color t-shirt, and it's going to bring out the pop-up. Same editing or same changes. Click on this and just change it to any color. You can change it to green. Come in, should change. Yeah, add this to bright. Let me use this. Okay, I'm fine with this. Oh yeah, done. Just save it again. Click on and save. You see this saving icon here. So saving 26. You're done. Go back to Blender, and let's go back to material preview, and then we have to go back to cycles again. So let's go back to cycles for it to reload, and you can see this is how it looks like on cycle, and this looks very nice. I like this. You can also change the background the same way. So this is just how mockup work. Editable. It's just for personal use. You don't need to hire a freelancer for you to do something like this. So if you need this mockup design, just click on the link in the description box to get your mockup design, purchase it. If you have any issue with any of the mockup design, you can always send a DM to me or send an email to me. Everything is available in the description box. So thank you for watching this tutorial video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator.